Now, this is Cosita. She's making a cake. It's called a Moisture Supreme Golden Butter recipe. Yeah. And I'm the producer of the video.
We didn't put butter on that.
Added some milk, as you see right here. She added 3 whole eggs, as you see right there. She added some butter. Well, it's in the sink already because I washed it.
No, she didn't.
She also
Shut up.
added
Hold on.
the thing for the cake.
We had
The, what is this called? La mezcla, the mix. She's adding some butter in a ghetto ugly way. Ew, look at that. Ew.
Well, we gotta put butter back. You gotta put butter so that the freaking cake won't stick to the pan.
But still with your hands, ew. I don't know where your hands been at.
Have you ever? I washed my hands, honey. They could have been up my nose, anywhere, but I washed my hands, alright? But like I was saying, you know, you gotta bake a cake, get the mix, put the, you want, how much is it again? A cup of milk or water, but Puerto Rican, it tastes better with milk. Like I was saying.
Her cousin saying no, she's not.
3 huevos.
And she's using
3 huevos. Y ya, qué sé yo. La mezcla, make sure
Esto es bien puertorriqueño, papi. Esa es la que hay.
I'm the cool guy.
Thick thighs.
Wow. Hey, get out of here, loca.
Thick butt. Thick butt. You see?
This is not a big one.
She still got a body for a skinny
little
person.
bread.
Look at
My
look
little
at she got
bread.
a body for a skinny person.
¿Qué es, nene? Cállate ya. Para, stop recording. Stop. For real. Before I break the camera.
Okay. Bye, people. Love you.